Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the English language, exploring the Bossy R sound. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is Bossy R? Let's find out. Bossy R is a term used to describe how the letter R can change the sound of a vowel when it follows it in a word. This R is like a boss, exerting its influence on the vowel sound and changing it into something unique. Let's break it down.
Look at the words car, star, and barn. Notice how the letter R changes the sound of the vowel. In car, the A becomes R. Car. In star, the A changes to R as well. And in barn, the A transforms into R once more. Barn. That's the Bossy R effect. Let's explore more examples. Take the words fern, bird, and curl. Notice how the E in fern changes to R, making it fern. In bird, the I becomes bird. In curl, the U changes to forming curl. Take corn, fork, and dirt. The or says or in corn and fork. The letters I and R says in the word dirt.
Think of Bossy R as the leader of the vowel, changing its sound. Just like a boss guiding its team, R steps in and tells the vowel what sound to make.
R, or,
Bossy R is important to learn. Learning this sound can help you become a good reader. Remember, when R comes after a vowel, it can often boss it around, changing its sound. Thank you for joining me today as we explored Bossy R. We hope you found this lesson informative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Click the links in the description to get educational resources. Until next time, keep exploring and learning. Bye for now.